Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I got a bunch going on right now, as well as every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of September, it is the Ruby May Mood palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that takes you to the different videos that talks about how to enter all of my giveaways. So today we're going to be unboxing Ipsy. This is their regular subscription. It is the Ipsy Glam Bag. It's $10 a month and there's about 5 deluxe size. Sometimes they'll throw in a couple full sizes in there. And then they also have what they call their Ipsy Plus for $24. And so now they also have the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50 a month. It is 8 full size and 4 deluxe size samples that are personalized just for you. You do get the choice of choosing one of the items. So here are my thoughts on it. I do wish that it was something that was almost quarterly. It's like BoxyCharm has their Luxe. I kind of wish that this Ultimate was just a quarterly subscription. And I think I would do that. So I am going to get it for this first month, but then my plan as of right now is to cancel the Ultimate after that and maybe only pick it up every couple of months, you know, kind of treat myself like it was a quarterly subscription, because I think $50 is just way too much for every single month. It's kind of like BoxyCharm increasing their prices as well. So, but this is the $10 one, so let's dive in and see what we got. There's always a card that talks about the products, and it just says, find your light. September's all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Good news, Mercury's not in retrograde this month and your 5 Glam Bag products have arrived. Allow us to demystify them for you. So Ipsy always in their Glam Bag puts all the products inside their bag. Here's what this looks like. Little constellations here. I do like how it kind of has like a little gemstone here. It does say Ipsy on the back here. And then here's what the inside looks like. By SKIN&CO company. I have been using their toner a lot lately and love it. This is their Shimmering oil based in Umbria, Italy. This brand's products are made by one of the world's largest truffle producers. This nourishing dry oil mines the antioxidant-rich properties of black winter truffles to protect, moisturize, and boost your skin's radiance. Bonus, it's good for all skin types. Tip, apply 2 to 3 drops of this oil into the palm of your hand and gently pat all over your face until thoroughly absorbed. Here's what the product looks like. I don't know if you kind of see those shimmers or not. There you go. I do know SKIN&CO is cruelty free. Love that. Full size of this does retail for $68. I am not going to open this just because I'm not a shimmering oil type of person. And so I've already started setting stuff aside for our 400 subscriber giveaway. So I'm going to put this one in there, but help us get to 400. By HANHOO is their Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. HANHOO's mission is to bring confidence to everyone who uses their skincare. Not only is this water-like serum super refreshing, it smells just like watermelons, it's made with a mix of superfruits like apple extract to nourish, hydrate, and refine your skin's texture while you sleep. Tip, apply a dime-sized amount of the serum onto your skin. Pat it on gently until it absorbs. Let it work overnight, then rinse off the next morning before following with your usual routine. This is cruelty free, and a full size of this does retail for $24. And it does have a safety seal. It does have a really slight watermelon scent to it. If you guys don't know, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks. And I'm going to put this in my overnight series. It's really pretty. I like this. So be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming masking video. By L.O.C.K Color is the Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. With artful packaging and smart, affordable formulas, this fun-loving brand makes it easy to feel and look like your best self. This gel-like primer is made with hydrolyzed collagen to give your skin a major moisture boost. Create a smooth canvas for long-lasting makeup. Tip: after moisturizing, smooth a dime-size amount onto the primer all over your skin, then apply your foundation and makeup as usual. I'm going to throw this one in that giveaway as well. This is cruelty-free, and a full size of this does retail for $12. Ooh, full size is the OFRA Cosmetics Madison Miller. She is a fellow YouTuber and great. I follow her. I will put a link for her channel in the description box down below. This is her Sweet Stuff blush. This limited edition collab between beauty guru OFRA and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us a highly pigmented shadow, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This dusty pink nude blush can be worn day or wet to intensify it, or used also as an eyeshadow. Tip: swirl a fluffy brush into the Sweet Stuff blush and top it off any excess. Smile big. See the apples of your cheeks? Dust blush onto them and blend. This is really pretty. I am going to put this one in that giveaway too for you guys. So OFRA is also cruelty-free. This retails by itself for $29, you guys. And think about it, the bag was only 10 bucks. So awesome. Lastly, by the Beauty Crop eyeshadow in the shade Halcyon. As the folks behind the Beauty Crop create a simple, effective, and highly performing products inspired by healthy living, utilize plant-based ingredients and natural oils in everything they make. This greenish gold shadow is a butterly smooth, richly pigmented, and perfect for the fall. Tip: use your fingertip to apply the shadow onto your entire lid, or use a damp brush for a bolder effect. So I don't really use single eyeshadows that much, so I'm going to throw this one in that giveaway too. You guys got 4 out of the 5 things in that giveaway. This is also cruelty-free, so everything in this bag, way to go Ipsy, is cruelty-free. This itself retails for $10. So remember, this was $29 and this is $10. That's $39 right there. And these are both going in that upcoming giveaway. Help us get to 400. So what do you guys think? I mean, for them to put in 2 full-size products, pretty amazing. I can't wait to use this one in an overnight mask. What were your favorites? Do you get Ipsy? Did you get something different? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. It really, really does. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.